And also, my friends, I have one more big problem here.
So we have that ring there, it's separated and vent, it should be inside there. And this part, this fork, just went outside.
So the construction itself is the final drive, then the shaft itself, then this rubber metal thing over here, and then the gearbox. So to put it back again, that ring, I need to remove the aft tire, this final drive, and the shaft itself, and yeah, put this ring back again. Very crazy. So my friends, that's the rubber metal coupling, or clutch you may say. It's not the real engine clutch for the gearbox, but it's like a coupling between the shaft itself and the gearbox. This used to reduce the loads on a gearbox, so this rubber takes some kind of a load. But anyway, I have this one and also have many more. This one is polyolefin or something. Polyolefin. I don't know how to speak it in English, but this is also the same almost. And here is the Soviet made. So this thing here is a rubber, and here is polyolefin or something. Maybe I'll just experiment with this one, this coupling. We'll see how it works with polyolefin. Okay, my friends, I just wonder what should I do, because I have differential block on the final drive, so maybe I'll need to separate it first over here somewhere, and then I will unbolt these nuts over here, and then I will remove the final drive and then the wheel itself. I have the similar final drive over here, so also two-wheel drive. This thing is quite heavy, but anyway, we should do it. Okay, my friends, what I'm going to do now is just I want to put this motorcycle on the central stand, and it's quite heavy one. So to put it a little bit backwards, need to get rid of this brick. Yeah, put it a little bit backwards. No, it's not working like this. What should I do? What should I do? Well, I do have this thing here. Hope it works. Should work. Definitely it should. I think I'll be able to lift it up, but with lifter it's much better. I can see the wheel is in the air. That's good. Good sign. Wow. Nice. Now I need to unscrew all these bolts. I think there are 4 or something, so they're basically keeping this final drive on its place. Dnepr. Well guys, I just forgot that I need to remove the tire. First, as far as I understood, I need to remove this axle from this side. And to do it, I need to remove that nut, the big nut over there. Here. So, I need to remove this nut. I just forgot about it. Okay, now this one, as you can see, it's quite rusted. I use this kind of wrench. I had the Dnepr quite a long time ago, so I'm not used to work with this type of machines. Very easy. And now let's remove the wheel itself. Nice. So here we have the brakes and final drive itself. Let's remove brakes. Just forgot how to do it. Maybe like this. And now I'll remove this braking rod, and I'll just remove it from this part, so from here. So I unsecured it with this thing. And simply like this, and the same thing I will do here with this rod, and it goes to differential block. Well guys, the hardest part for me is down here. So we need to unscrew this one, and probably you won't see, but here we have one more over here. So it's hard to get there. So my friends, finally I'm trying to remove this final drive. I didn't want to remove this long shaft to sidecar, but anyway, it just removed itself by itself. So my friends, that's our final drive. As you can see, I have some oil leak from it, but anyway, I'm okay with it. It's not very huge. It's nice. I should clean it and check it out later on. But now let's do what we do. So my friends, here we have the shaft, and I'll try to remove it. Yeah, it's easy. It was really easy. And as you can see, it's all because of this ring. So I need just to change it. Then from this side we have this fork. I'm trying to remove it. No, just can't remove it. Why? Maybe I need something big to remove it. So my friends, it goes like this. This thing goes to the gearbox fork, the same as we have here. Later on have this fork, and after that cardan. Now I have the new one, and I'll try to put it there. I'll use the silicone oil, spray there. The best tool for Dnepr. Alright, let's see what's inside. Probably a different way, in different direction. Yeah, it's okay. Now removing this ring from the shaft. Boom. And we have the new one, so the new ring is coming. Okay, I put some new lubrication here, and it's time to put it there. Back again. Inserting the brakes.